Hey there, welcome to part 2 of tips for working with Generation Z. If you missed the last episode, kindly find the link in the description. It's all about the video. Generation Z comprises of a generation that loves videos. For seminars, trainings, or even as little as the onboarding process, creative and fun videos are highly recommended to keep your Gen Z employees' attention fixed on the message you're trying to pass across. Work-life balance. A work-life balance is critical for the new generation of employees. It will help them to manage stress, thus leading to increased productivity and minimize costs for your organization. If they are overworked and get burnt out, chances that they will abandon ship are very high.
Hey, Paulie, what's up? No, everything's fine. Hey, listen, I quit.
Create value for your employees. More than any other generation before them, the driving force behind Generation Z in the workplace are financial rewards and career advancements. These advantages would help lessen turnover and ultimately result in workers who strive to reach their full potential. Multitasking. Generation Z employees are used to a constant influx of notifications. For them, switching between emails, various applications, and reminders comes naturally. This makes them great multitaskers. This doesn't mean you should drop a load of work for them on different platforms at the same time. Please, I don't need to tell you what would happen if you do that.
I quit.
Yeah.
Bottom line, like all other generations of employees before them, Generation Z individuals want stability in an organization that is financially secure. They want to work on projects that will change the way a company thinks and probably change the world. Allow them to have all these things, and they will repay the favor by helping you take your organization to the next level. Tune in next week for more tips, and please don't forget to subscribe.